Happy Prime Day, Day 2, fellow gift seeker. In this video, I'm sharing 5 deals on unique gifts I handpicked from the toys and games category. If you spot something you like, just click the link I provided in the description below. Cheers! First up, Thinkfunds robot repair coding board game for the future programmer in your life. I love this brand's mission to empower minds through play. In fact, I own and regularly play one of the logic games. It never disappoints. Anyway, this coding game offers multi-level challenges for girls and boys age 8 and up. Count me in. Let's check out the reviews from verified buyers. Just a heads up, all the gift ideas I'm presenting today have earned 4 stars or higher from verified Amazon buyers. Next up, Cody, the AI smart educational robot by Pillar Learning. The listing says it's for kids, but I definitely need this in my life. Click the link in the description below to check out all the features, like curated content that grows with your child, parent-integrated messaging, and cute outfits. Let's check out some reviews. Up next, Tegu magnetic wooden block set. This 14-piece starter kit encourages creativity and inspires hours of open-ended play. It's made of sustainably sourced and naturally safe materials. I just discovered this brand and think this would be the perfect addition to my office. Or the perfect gift. Here's some reviews from verified buyers. What do you think of these ideas so far? Share your thoughts and ideas in the comment section below. Let's help each other find the perfect toys and games to give as gifts. Next we have Steiff Soft Cuddly Friends. So cute. I don't remember when I was introduced to Steiff because I was maybe 1. The buddies in my collection definitely got tons of love. I love that the 4 I found for Prime Day are crafted to be played with and last as a collectible. Check out these reviews. Last but not least, Go Sports Premium Ladder Toss Outdoor Game. This classic ladder toss game is made from high-quality PVC and was designed to be assembled in under 2 minutes. I'm a total klutz, so I haven't played this game. Let's see what reviewers say. Will this or any of the other ideas I shared make a special gift for that special someone in your life? Vote for your favorite in the comment section below. And hit the like button if you think I'm sharing some cool ideas. On that note, I have a bonus Prime Day gift idea for you. Ticket to Ride Europe, a fun addition to family game night. I was introduced to the American edition this spring. It's a blast. These verified buyers agree the European adventure is too. Oh, and if you'd like to play the American edition, it's on sale too. Game night planned. With that, here are the Prime Day toys and game deals, also known as gift ideas, I presented in this video. If you plan to gift one of these to someone special or yourself, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for hanging out with me today for this episode of Acme Gift Guide. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future gift idea videos. Cheers and happy gifting!